Hey guys, welcome to A Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I edit my movies. Now, you guys might have a different approach. You guys that have Windows can use the video editor provided by Microsoft. And those of you that have Mac can use iMovie. And those of you that have a tablet, I don't know, maybe you could use KineMaster. In this tutorial, I'll be using iMovie, and I'm going to show you how I edit my movies with iMovie. If you want any other editors, please let me know. Okay guys, so let's start. I'm not going to choose any videos here. I'm just going to create movie because it takes time. Yep. Now we click on video, and here's my recently. No, these are photos. I need to go to videos. Recently added. Excuse me. Oh, I don't think my screen recording saved yet. So I still don't have anything yet. Oh, wait, let me click done. No. Once again, you click on movie, create movie, and you wait. So I'm gonna go ahead and see where my recording is gonna be. This is yesterday. And yeah, hey guys, this is the Xbox Gaming Nerd's sister over here. She's in a meeting right now, so we have to be a little bit quiet.
Hi.
Yeah, and go ahead and check out my gaming channel, A Gaming, if you're interested in gaming. And yeah, also subscribe to the Xbox Gaming Nerd if you are interested in gaming. Let's see, it's taking some time over here. Yes, this is it. This is my today's video. So I'm gonna go ahead and go to iMovie video. Recently added, and I see today over here. So I'm gonna add my video. Okay. So I have my video added over here. This is an Among Us gameplay for my gaming channel. So yeah, please go ahead and subscribe to that. Not subscribe because you guys are already subscribed. It's the same channel. But go ahead and check out my gaming videos if you have time. Welcome to AA Gaming. Yesterday it was so fun. We played a game with the Xbox Gaming Nerd. Yeah, none of us got imposter that round, which is kind of sad. But today, we're gonna be playing maybe 1 or 2 games, maybe even more. More than 1 or 2 games. So yeah, let's get started. So here I'm gonna split my video. I'm gonna go ahead and add my intro. There it is. And I like to use dissolve for my intro. So we start off, it's over here. But today we're going to be playing maybe 1 or 2 games. Down here. Maybe even more. So yeah, let's get started. Welcome. It's the Xbox Gaming Nerd over here, guys. So, as you guys can see that. Yep. Yeah. So this is how I edit my videos. Yeah, and usually I'm done, and if I needed to add another video to the end, because for whatever reason I needed to stop recording, I would just get to the end of the video.
A long video?
Yep, it's a really long video, and I'd click whichever video I'd want to add, which I don't want to add this video.
So you click on the
delete.
Right.
Yeah, so now what I'm going to do here is I'm going to... Yep. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click done, and I'm going to click the little upload
album.
The upload one, and I'm gonna go to YouTube. I'm gonna go ahead and click on. I'm gonna name it, and then it's gonna give some time because my category category is gaming, and I'm gonna do Among Us EP.2.
Why don't you do with me?
Oh, I already uploaded that video.
Oh, I forgot to upload it.
Yeah, this is another one.
Neat.
Yeah.
What, did you just do a video?
Yeah, I did.
Neat.
Yep.
You have
This.
five.
Yeah. This is an Among Us gameplay. Just let me show you. Tags. You should add tags if you want your search results to come up. Among Us, and then a gaming.
Do you think anyone will search that up?
No, but still awesome. I think it will come up if they search up awesome at gaming. And I'm going to add AA gaming for short. And I'm also going to put in hashtag awesome and gaming. And I'm going to click on public.
So everyone can see it, right?
Yep. And now I'm going to stop this recording. I hope you guys like this video. So what it's going to do is it's going to export your movie, and then it's going to upload to YouTube. You cannot do anything on your device when that process is happening. You click anywhere, it cancels. You click anywhere, it cancels. You click your home button, it cancels.
Click that lead space, black space.
Exactly. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to stop recording, and then you click the share button on the top. Dude.
See, don't chill then.
Yeah, so I clicked share, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click the stop.